Hey guys, I'm Hunter with Nelson Insurance. I am the principal agent here. I'm going to go over some quick coverages that are important for your home insurance and some things that are important to look out for on your policy. So right off the bat is going to be water and sewer backup. If your water table is high where you live and your sump pump is running quite a bit, you're going to want water and sewer backup. If the thing overflows, they typically provide 5 to 10,000 in coverage for your basement when that happens. Service line is another. These are quick here, real quick. These are endorsements that not a lot of policies have. You want to make sure you have them if stuff like this will apply to you. Service line is another good one. That's going to be any of those lines running to your house, water lines, all type of stuff. It's pouring concrete. We hit an electrical line. It was covered in the homeowner's policy because they had service line. So that's a good one to have. Animals, if you need to have animal liability, if you get a dog. Some dogs are about impossible to insure, or can make your home about impossible to insure if you got like a Rottweiler or something like that. So make sure you let your agent know what kind of dog you have. And otherwise, if you do have a Rottweiler and that thing bites somebody, that's not going to be covered if it's not disclosed. And obviously, you want to make sure it's covered because I've seen it happen in the past. So you have that. You want to make sure you have good liability limits. The biggest thing you're going to look out for in South Dakota is replacement of the roof versus ACV on the roof. 2 years ago, just about everybody's offering replacement. If you had ACV, you were way ahead of the game. Now, just about everybody's going to a 15-year replacement of the roof. After your roof is 15 years old, it goes ACV, and ACV means actual cash value or depreciation taken into account. Some people schedule it, so it's like after year 15, half your roof is depreciated and you pay half that out of pocket. Some of it is just determined by the adjuster. It just varies company to company. Some other important things to look out for is replacement versus ACV and your personal property. It really varies. I see half and half. Some are replacement, some are ACV. Cosmetic exclusion means if your siding looks ugly, if your garage doors look ugly because of the hail, it's excluded. It's cosmetic. It's not going to be covered. Again, this is 2 years ago. Everybody would not have that. If you had, it was a big deal. Now just about everybody's got cosmetic exclusion. American Family recently just switched to ACV on the roof and now have cosmetic exclusion. So again, with the hailstorms, the inflation, this stuff is becoming popular. Those are things to check out in your home policy. Another good one to have is equipment breakdown. Equipment breakdown is not your furnace, your AC, and your AC, and all that type of stuff, just coming to the end of its life. If it's 15 years old, it's just the end of its life. That's not covered. This is going to be if something were to happen where it would be backed into if it's outside. If it was a malfunction with the manufacturing, so it quit after 6 months, that would be covered. Anything that is not negligence, so if water seeps into it and there's no way of you knowing water seeping into it, that would be covered. If it was seeing, or if there was a way to prove there was negligence on your guys' part, it would not be covered. Those are the big ones. Be careful of deductibles. Some people have percent deductibles. Watch out for your liability, medical payments. Keep those in mind. Those are the big things. Really, that's keep it simple. Check for those in your home policy. Make sure you got a good policy. A lot of people don't include the endorsements on there. Good home companies right now are National General 360, Roberts Farm Mutual, Stillwater. Those are really some good carriers. We offer all of those, of course. Reach out to me if you have any questions, but thanks for watching, and I appreciate your time.